I am Jorge Larcón, founder and CEO of Action, creators of the ChartFactor toolkit. This video shows how easy it is to create data applications that interact natively with ElasticSearch using ChartFactor components. I'm going to create a quick data application with 2 visualizations and a search widget to visualize access logs. Setting up ChartFactor components in your web application is straightforward. Start with an HTML page with div elements as placeholders for your widgets and import the ChartFactor toolkit and any additional support libraries you'd like to use. On the JavaScript side, set the data providers for your application. In this case, I have ElasticSearch running locally, and that's what I'm going to use. Then set a few variables: source, which is the index name, metric, which is a sum of bytes, and I am going to group by tags and bring the top 10 in descending order. And I have 3 variables, one for each of the components I'm going to render. And that's it. We're going now to render our components. First, I'm going to render a bar chart. Then I am going to render the raw data table. And finally, I'm going to render the text search component. And now I can start interacting with my visualizations. For example, I can type the term Windows, press enter, and the raw data table as well as the bar chart have been filtered by that term. And you can see the raw data table also highlights it. I can be more specific and, for example, say tags, air, and extension, CSS, to filter by all log entries that contain error in its tags attribute, and the extension attribute is equal to CSS. In summary, this basic example shows how ChartFactor components and ElasticSearch can be easily integrated to build powerful data applications.